Hi everyone, my name is Brendan Doyle. I run Doyle Golf and Performance Institute. I want to thank Michelle and the Rescue Revenue Kit. COVID-19 hit us hard. We were going through, we were having a record year in, record month, in March. And then it stopped us in its tracks. I went from making $4,000 to $5,000 a week to zero. And I thought I was going to have a stay-at-home vacation and kind of chill out for 2 weeks, and Michelle got on me and said, hey, we got to get this going. Within 24 hours, we had never done virtual lessons or anything like that. So we went from nothing to having virtual lessons to an online program, the ability to give our clients supplements and check-in calls, stuff like that. Gave us a whole different program that we can use. And thank you, Michelle. You gave us confidence to get through this, because we didn't know if we were going to keep the doors open. I was hopeful, being a golf professional, that I'd be outside on the course. But as far as the gym and the studio, there was a lot of questions. But Michelle's empathy, intelligence, the knowledge, and just gave us the confidence to keep on moving. Now we're in a place where realistically, now I can see more people throughout the world because of the virtual training, and we're in a stronger position to really be even more of a force in our industry. So thank you, Michelle, for everything. Thank you.